You need to get a grip. And I'm gonna show you just how easy that is to do on your SG400. So welcome back to the CSC Garage. Now let's get to it. Before we get started, we'll just go over the tools needed. Very simple. Phillips screwdriver, 5mm Allen, and we're gonna use a little grip glue when we install these grips. I'm also gonna use a razor knife to get the throttle side off. Let me show you. First thing we want to do is get these bar end weights off using the 5mm Allen. I'm just going to loosen that a little more. And then pull it the rest of the way. I'm going to move it back and forth. And why I did that, I just loosened it a little, which still made it tough to take off, but I wanted to keep everything assembled. If I speed that out, sometimes this rubber piece and the nut gets left in the bar end. And now I'm ready to cut off the grip on the throttle side. Just gently cut. You don't want to go too deep and cut the plastic throttle under. And simply peel back the rubber. And now we're ready to install the new grips. You'll note that they have two different inside diameters. The smaller is for the clutch side, and the larger is large enough to fit over that plastic throttle. And I'm going to use a little grip lock on this one. It's just a small tube of glue. You can purchase that through the website. Doesn't take a lot. And you'll notice these grips have ends to them. If you wanted to reuse your bar end weights, you can simply cut a hole there large enough for the bar end weight to fit through and reinstall those. We're going to leave them off for now. The throttle side, I want to first remove that throttle before I try to push it on, otherwise I might damage the plastic shell. If the grip has too tight of a fitment, you can often use something like Windex to help lubricate the throttle body.
Any ailment, from psoriasis to poison ivy, could be cured with Windex.
And then work it down. And I want to leave a little bit of gap, and I'll make my final adjustment once it's on the handlebars. That way the grip isn't causing the throttle to get stuck. I'm going to pull this throttle cable up some so that I can get the ferrule into the throttle. And then I'm going to make sure this pin aligns with the hole that's in the handlebar. And finally, I'll adjust out some of that play in the throttle cable. You want just a little play before it engages. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install custom grips on your SG400. And now that you know how easy it is, you need to get a grip. And we've got plenty of them, a huge selection. Check out the link below. Check out our website, but more importantly, enjoy the ride.